Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken nuggets from canned chicken. First, drain and thoroughly pat the chicken dry with paper towels to remove excess moisture. Mix crumbs, egg, and seasoning in a bowl, then form compact nugget shapes. Chill the nuggets for 15 minutes to help them hold together. Fry or bake until golden and crisp, and serve with your favorite dips for simple homemade nuggets. Gather your ingredients before starting to keep the process smooth and quick. 112. 5 Oz can of chicken, 1 cup breadcrumbs, 1 egg, and simple seasonings will make about a dozen nuggets. Add grated Parmesan or panko for crunch and better binding. Preheat your oven or oil so cooking time is consistent and the coating crisps evenly. This setup lets you assemble and cook without interruptions for a stress-free result. Start by draining and shredding the canned chicken until it's evenly textured and moisture is reduced. Mix the chicken with 1 beaten egg and enough breadcrumbs to form a sticky, malleable mixture that holds its shape. Shape into uniform nuggets, press firmly so they do not fall apart, then coat with extra crumbs for a crispy exterior. Bake at 400 degrees F for about 12-15 minutes or shallow fry until golden and cooked through.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.